Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you, yes, the ultimate, the one and only, homemade pepper sauce. Yo, that one is hot, literally. So I'm showing you how to do with it. A few simple ingredients, and the choice of peppers that we're using today are Scotch bonnet peppers, straight from Jamaica. You know what I say? Wherever in the world you are, you can use whatever pepper is known to be the hottest in your area, and just fuse that with some mango. The mango will give it that flavor. And of course, as we go along, I'll show you whatever we're gonna use to preserve the sauce. Without further delay, forward, let me show you how I go. When we call this Jolie mango, you know what I say? You can use any mango of your choice, really. Peppers already washed and everything. It's gonna go straight in. We'll kickstart that with a little bit of water. Just so the peppers then blend. I'm gonna go in with some mustard and blend that again. We're going to gradually add in our mangoes. Nice, smooth pepper sauce. But how are you going to preserve this for a few weeks or a few days? Quite simple. Some white vinegar. Gonna blend this out. And there you have it. Homemade pepper sauce. Made easy. Here on Morris Time Cooking It. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see so far. This pepper sauce can be served up with literally anything that you're eating. And you can store this in your fridge for up to 7 days with the vinegar as the preservative. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
But know you fast girl and have to tell me, cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.